Let's solve this integration problem step by step. We need to integrate the sum of three terms, 1 over x squared, plus 4 over x times the square root of x, plus 2. Let's break this down into three separate integrals and solve each one individually. Let's solve the first integral. 1 over x squared is equal to x to the negative 2. Using the power rule, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by the new exponent. This gives us negative 1 over x. For the second integral, let's first rewrite 4 over x times square root of x as 4 times x to the negative 3 halves. Again, using the power rule, we add 1 to negative 3 halves and divide by the new exponent. This simplifies to negative 8 over the square root of x. Finally, the integral of 2 is simply 2x. Now let's combine all our terms and add our constant of integration c. Our final answer is negative 1 over x minus 8 over the square root of x plus 2x plus c. Let's verify this is correct by checking that each term came from its corresponding integral and that we applied the power rule correctly in each case.